Halloween is an exciting time of the year for kids, and the Garland Police Department wants you to be smart, be seen, and be safe. Plan bright reflective costumes, make sure shoes fit well and that costumes are short enough to prevent tripping or entanglement. Only purchase items labeled as flame resistant. Because masks can block eyesight, consider non-toxic makeup and properly fitting decorative hats as safer alternatives. If a sword, cane, or stick is part of the costume, make sure it's not sharp or too long. Otherwise, a stumble or trip might just ruin the evening. Kids should always travel in groups and stay on well-lit streets. Don't forget a flashlight and wear LEDs or reflective tape to see and be seen. Make sure that someone has a cell phone and knows how to call 911 in case there's an emergency. When tackling a street, avoid zigzagging across traffic. Stop by the houses on one side first, then cross to the other side. Only visit homes with the porch light on and remind kids to never go inside and to only accept treats at the door. And finally, when the kids come home with their haul, inspect it before they dive in and to keep an eye out for any open, suspicious, or unpackaged treats. The Garland Police Department reminds everyone to be smart, be seen, be safe, and have a happy Halloween.